One of the marketing features that LinkedIn has separating it from the pack and a lot of other platforms is the ability to target businesses based on their size. And when you can do that, you can ensure that you're bypassing businesses that are too small or too big, that are going to be a waste of your time and a waste of their time. So with the free profile, if you don't have Sales Navigator or premium features, you can't actually target based on size. If you go to your filters, you'll see that you get a lot of filtering options which are really useful for a free account, but you do not have the ability to target a company based on how many employees that they have. Whereas if you have the Sales Navigator tool, you scroll down towards the bottom of the filters, you'll see company headcount. And what you can do is filter down your target audience based on the size of business that they work at or that they own. So if you're looking to work with smaller businesses because they might have some teething issues or not be as established, which means they cater more to your solutions, you might be targeting 1 to 10 employees. The other thing that you can do is also years of experience. So if their company has been up and running for less than 1 to 2 years, you know that they might not have certain processes and systems in place that a more established company might have, and vice versa. If it's at the other end of the spectrum, you want a large company that has lots of employees, so clearly they've got revenue and budgets and that they're working to, that's well and truly established, you might up the ante. So one of the reasons why you might consider going beyond the free account is to make sure you can zero in on exactly the opportunities that you look for and save, I'm going to say, hours a week on opportunities that wouldn't be a great fit because the companies that they work at are the wrong size. And this way you can ensure that everyone that you're making contact with and presenting offers and opportunities to are going to understand and get the perceived value out of your solutions. And that makes a big difference to the conversion rate and the success of your LinkedIn marketing. Any questions, let us know. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button. We're going to drop at least 2 tutorials for LinkedIn marketing every single week, so you get instant access to them if you hit the bell. Thanks for watching, and hit the like button if this was useful.